There are certain times when going and sticking to the speed limit is downright dangerous, and this is probably the most obvious one: going past a school at letting in or out time. And this clip proves exactly why you need to be a lot slower at these times. And it's not just by schools where you've got to be careful. Remember, speed limits are not targets.